Jericho,
and Gaskill,
and welcome to the Marthez vlog.
Today we have something.
Yeah, it's very new, guys.
We had a day. It's real bug
Big Egg. So guys, we are going to play with this, and we are going to unbox it now. It is cool. We are going to explore real insects inside, and I guess wait, did I show you the back? Okay, we are going to dig some rocks.
There's no for rocks.
The insects are trapped in the rocks, so we need to go get them and save them. When I
And
think
guys,
go with them.
One more thing. If we don't know if there's a tool inside, so let's open it up right now.
But if there's no tool, we're gonna use a hammer.
Oh no, wait, no.
Let's unbox it now. Let's go.
Me.
What to do the plastic? Okay, let's unbox it. Let us see what is inside this box, guys.
Oh my gosh,
we're gonna see what's inside this box. Okay, so we don't know. Let's unwrap it. Come on.
But guys, it's so hard to open and we don't know how.
2,000 years later.
Box
Wait,
box.
I'll open it. Whoa.
Oh,
Ready?
why is Oh, a scarf. Oh, we got tools. We got tools. Want to use this? Yeah,
This is a magpie.
Whoa, we got some animal. We got animal.
We got a brush.
Help me! Help me!
Magnifying glass.
So we have a brush. Guys, maybe there's something else in the box.
Let's
check
see
it out.
first. Whoa, guys, we got a book. We got a book, guys. Look, this book is about the scorpion and other insects. Let us see. We got a scorpion at the back.
At the back, this page. And let's see the first page.
And the first page, there is bugs. About bugs. Look at that.
Okay,
Wait.
next page.
And then the next page is fish.
This stuff like about bees. Hey, my turn.
And then
My turn.
bug.
Spiders and scorpions, you see?
Oh, it's so creepy. And
This one.
there's the life cycles. This is the life cycle. That's the life cycle. Oh, and this is some
fortunes. Beetles and spiny spiders.
That spider is still really creepy, guys. So let us do this. Okay, guys, let us crack. Wait, what?
In the box, there's 2 more insects to find. Maybe it's inside this big stone. Well, it's not that big, so let's check it out.
Okay, let's check it out, guys.
I'll
You will
try.
Try to open it.
Whoa!
It's really hard.
Wait. Oh, what happened to
Try to
it?
do this.
I'm not sure it should be
No,
done.
guys, it's really hard. Wait, I know an idea.
Okay.
The hammer.
Voila! Let us use this! We got a hammer, guys. Look, we got a hammer. Let's
Okay,
try
I'll
with
try
this.
the hammer.
Let's try with this.
Okay, you first.
Okay, ladies, here we go.
Be careful!
2,000 years later.
Guys, comment down below what's this
What's that black thing?
black thing.
Yeah, we're trying to investigate that.
Oh, that's this.
One semester later.
Maybe we got a scorpion that just wants to shoot, not to see. Stop that. And we had this fortune beetle, and everything's only that. The spiny spider. Where's the scorpion? Oh la la! I wanna get the beetle. You get a spider. I don't like
Okay, guys, I guess we messed everything up. Look at this pile of sand. I don't think so. We can tidy up this thing.
I'm gonna crack some so we can find. I guess we still.
Whoa, wait. Where did the scorpion go?
Let's just guys, this here.
Guys, so cute. The scorpion's so cute, guys.
It's very small. I thought we should not crack the scorpion.
Yeah,
This
that was a
is
big scorpion. Well, actually, my idea was right. I'm supposed to crack the scorpion's hand.
And he said that the fortune beetle is like a mouse, but it's not. We found a piece. We found items in the
Box! Yay, wait, this is a piece. The black piece of the giant scorpion. Maybe the mama scorpion is the giant one and they lay eggs.
But it's different inside. How come it can be the mama?
I don't know.
Okay, I'm gonna.
Maybe that is
Wait,
the
guys.
big mama.
So guys, let's also smash like button and we'll see you next time. Bye. Smash like button and subscribe our video. Bye.